Weather coverage you can count on with Chief Meteorologist Kate McKenna and the Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
Thankfully, not dealing with the fires here in North Alabama, but it is certainly hot. We are dealing with some of the high temperatures now. Wave 31 Chief Meteorologist Kate McKenna joins us with more.
You know, that word anticyclone that we heard earlier, that's just another word, the meteorological term for a ridge of high pressure. And that's exactly what's been pumping in the Gulf moisture, that clockwise flow around the ridge of high pressure centered farther toward the east. It's pumping in the humidity in here in North Alabama. And that's the reason for it feeling about 10 degrees hotter than what's been showing up on the thermometer. Although we're only feeling a few degrees hotter in spots like Huntsville. It's 87 degrees, but it's feeling like 90s. I'll show you that in just a second. Feeling like triple digits in some spots, but Scottsboro it actually is at the 90-degree mark, 80 the current temperature in Florence. Now, if you've gotten some rain, you've gotten a cool down. It's feeling like 71 in Muscle Shoals, 76 in Moulton. Feels like temperatures 93 in Fayetteville and in Huntsville. 98 though is that feels like temperature in Scottsboro, 101 in Athens. And here's that view on the Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network. West of 65, a little more active than what we've got farther toward the east. Madison County is quiet right now, but if you're in Colbert, Franklin, Lawrence counties, we do have some steadier, lighter rain that's continuing to fall. I still don't see any lightning strikes, but we can get the occasional rumble of thunder as these thunderstorms collapse. You can still hear thunder from time to time, but those thunderstorms themselves have tracked farther toward the northwest here, out of Lauderdale County, out of Colbert County. And as we go throughout the rest of this evening, anything that's left over will just continue to fade. There's a very slight chance for a shower, at least through the first part of the evening, but by 11 o'clock it's partly cloudy, 77, 74 by 3 a.m. Just a few passing clouds and a little bit of patchy fog. Future radar shows us this. By early tomorrow morning, it's a quiet, dry picture, but as we get into the afternoon, some daytime heating, plenty of that Gulf moisture still in place. We're at 82 degrees in Florence, getting some spotty showers and storms by 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Temperatures in the lower 90s where we're not getting rain. And as we continue through the rest of the evening, now to 7 o'clock, spotty storms are still in place. I think it might be one of those evenings for your Friday night plans that you want to have a contingency if you've got outdoor plans, and then bring the umbrella just in case. But those storms do fade after sunset, and we go through all of this again on Saturday. Although this particular data source is not showing a lot of storm coverage by Saturday afternoon, kind of gives you the hint of that farther toward the east. Temperatures will again be close to the 90-degree mark for highs, and it's going to be feeling like we are close to the triple-digit mark both tomorrow and then again on Saturday. But that is not hot enough to need a heat advisory. Criteria for a heat advisory are heat index values 105 to 107. That's not where we're going to be for the next few days, but don't get me wrong, it is still going to be hot. Here's another update on Tropical Depression Fred. Maximum sustained wind at 35 miles per hour. So yes, it is a depression, no longer a tropical storm, but it is expected to re-strengthen to a tropical storm here in the coming days. I've overlaid this with a data source to give you an idea of where these showers and storms are going to be heading as Fred tracks towards the west initially, makes this bend off towards the northwest. Tropical storm just off the south coast of Florida, and then continuing to graze the coast of Florida just offshore. Likely going to make landfall in the Florida Panhandle per the National Hurricane Center forecast as a tropical storm. And then watch what happens here. Remnant low is right along the Alabama-Georgia state line by Tuesday afternoon. So what we're going to see here, regardless of the exact path of the remnants of Fred, we are going to get a decent amount of rain here, it looks like, not only from the remnants, but that Gulf moisture that's going to continue to be pumped into North Alabama. So it's a 60% chance for showers and storms on Sunday. At this point, a 50-50 shot on Monday, and the temperatures finally back down into the mid to upper 80s for highs. Hey, listen for your forecast, 94.1 WHRP.